to spot your Easter eggs. 6 surprising bunny adventures in every messy room. Written by Divya Mohan. As soon as Coco and Cody woke up in the morning, they had only one thought on their mind. Did the Easter bunny come yet? They looked under the bed and behind the wardrobe. They stood on the table and peered behind the door, but there were no eggs to be seen. "Wait a minute! What's this?" Cody exclaimed, holding a treasure map aloft in the air. A little note read, "Hello, Coco and Cody. Follow my map to find your eggs." "Look, there's a clue attached," Coco cried, pointing towards a cartoon drawing. "Hey, Easter Bunny found a spider on our bed," Coco said, looking at the clue. "Did he hide the eggs in our beds?" Cody thought aloud, checking under the sheets, but there were no eggs to be seen. "Maybe the bunny wants us to make our beds so he doesn't get caught up in the sheets next time," Coco suggested. Without a second of hesitation, Coco and Cody rushed to make their beds, arranging the sheets, pillows, and duvets perfectly. As soon as they were done, an egg full of jelly beans dropped to the floor with a second clue attached. "Oh no!" Coco exclaimed. "There is the bunny skidded over a toy car." "Did he hide the eggs in our toy box?" Cody asked. But there were no eggs to be seen. "I know!" Coco shouted with glee. "It's like the bed all over again. Bunny wants us to pack up our toys. That way, Bunny won't slip and fall," Cody added, already rushing around the bedroom to pick them up. Yet again, as if by magic, an egg filled with rainbow M&Ms appeared with a third clue attached. "Ouch! That looks like it hurt," Coco said, rubbing her head. "Did the Easter bunny hide the eggs on the bookshelf?" Cody suggested, but there were no eggs to be seen. "Maybe the bunny wants us to arrange the books neatly," Coco cried. Coco and Cody took all the books down and then arranged them neatly. As soon as the final book was in place, 2 Cadbury cream eggs appeared on the floor with yet another clue attached. "Oh no!" Cody shouted. "The bunny can't even see. Our post-it notes and stickers are covering his eyes. Maybe he hid the eggs in our stationery drawer," Coco hinted, but there were no eggs to be seen. "Or maybe he just wants us to tidy the stationery up like before," Cody said. They collected all of the pens, pencils, colors, papers, glue, stickers, and scissors and put them away in the stationery drawer. As soon as the drawer shut, an egg full of pastel candy corns appeared alongside their next clue. "Ew! I see the Easter bunny in a pile of smelly clothes," Coco giggled. "Did he hide the egg in the laundry basket?" Cody asked, but there were no eggs to be seen. The laundry basket was empty. Coco said, "Maybe that bunny wants us to put all of our laundries into the basket." They collected up all of their dirty clothes and put them away in the basket. As soon as the lid of the basket slammed shut, a pair of golden chocolate eggs appeared with the final clue. "Oh no!" Coco cried. "The Easter Bunny has a banana skin on his head and bubblegum in his fur. Does that mean he hid the eggs in the trash?" "Ew," Cody mourned, but there were no eggs to be seen. "Maybe he wants us to pick up the trash in our room and put it all in a bin," Coco suggested. They collected all the chocolate covers, tissues, cut papers, and used stickers and put them away in the trash. As if by magic, the bedroom door opened and a huge chocolate bunny plopped onto the floor with a note. The little note read, "Have a super fun Easter with these lovely eggs." Coco and Cody happily hopped around their sparkling clean room with a basket full of chocolate Easter eggs. Happy Easter!